This skit, entitled Psychiatrist and Professional Ethics, continues the theme that most American psychiatry concepts are rooted in Western culture and society, and therefore not easily applicable or relevant to different cultures such as China. But there is another very important theme about professional ethics to be explained later.
Hello, this is Dr. Kronk.
Hello, Sasha. This is Amanda. I'm returning your call.
Hi, Amanda. Thanks for calling back. Remember your friend Keon, the journalist? You referred him to me a couple of months ago?
Yeah, he has PTSD. I've not seen him for a while. How is he doing?
I'm not his psychiatrist anymore. I've referred him to another psychiatrist.
Why?
I cannot tell you much because of physician-patient confidentiality, but I can say that I referred him out because he and I have some communication barriers, making it difficult to continue as physician-patient.
I'm not surprised. In my experience, there are usually 3 barriers for Western psychiatrists counseling a Chinese patient. The Chinese are usually skeptical about the value of Western psychology. Further, they tend not to be opened up in the traditional culture. And if he is an intellectual, then it's worse. Somehow, when a Chinese man has a doctorate degree, he often becomes an insufferable know-it-all. I should know. My father is a professor of history. He is so stubborn, opinionated, and intellectually arrogant.
You are so right. That is the reason I referred Keon out to another psychiatrist who might be more effective treating him. But that is not why I called you.
Really? I hope it is nothing serious.
No, out of the blue, Keon just asked me out, and I would like your opinion since he is your friend. Why are you laughing? Is it so funny?
I'm so sorry. I did not mean to make fun of you. It is just that you reminded me of the Hong Kong-made movie Internal Affairs. It is a great movie and broke all box office records several years ago. In the story, there's a psychiatrist who got involved with her patient, the undercover cop.
Yeah, I saw that movie, though I do not see the parallel between the movie and my situation.
Of course not. Keon is no undercover cop. Still, it is not often I hear about a Chinese patient going out with a Western psychiatrist. So I immediately recall the movie. That is all.
You still have not answered my question.
You mean whether you should go out with Keon?
Yes.
Come on, Sasha. The fact that you called is a proof that you have already made up your mind to go out with him. All you want is a little hand-holding or more support. Am I right?
You're so smart, Amanda. You should be doing my job.
Alright, Sasha. Between friends, I will tell you straight. Keon is a charming guy and you will have fun going out with him. But his PTSD makes him neurotic and erratic. But you know all that already.
Yeah, not to mention his crush on that Russian woman. His femme fatale, he says. Give me a break. I was his psychiatrist, remember? I always keep an arm's length from my patient. But I still find Keon very intriguing. He made me an offer I could not refuse, you know?
I know. Forbidden fruits are always the sweetest. Then you can have my blessing. No guts, no glory. However, I do have some misgivings about Western women dating a Chinese man. It is not like we Chinese women have a surplus of good Chinese men.
Amanda, will you stop your ranting? I have heard it too many times. I'm just talking about a casual dinner date. Usually you're not so uptight.
You are right, Sasha. My apologies. I had a rough day at work. I'm just letting off some steam. PTSD, post-trauma stress disorder. Hand-holding. Holding someone's hand means giving support and comfort. The ethic rules governing physician-patient, attorney-client, teacher-student, or other professions are taken very seriously in the U.S. Keeping patients' or client information private and confidential is one of them. Another general principle is for the professional to keep an arm's length from his clients and not lose objectivity because of personal involvement. Personal contact and relation outside of the professional context is always a sensitive situation. That is why Dr. Crank wants a little hand-holding from her friend before she plunges in. Many foreign students try to get admitted to elite American professional schools as their ultimate achievement, but professionalism is not just about academic excellence and prestige. Professional ethics is taught in all professional schools, such as in medicine, law, business, engineer, and other professions, and students learn to accept and internalize them, those ethical values and principles. By and large, American professionals adhere quite well to those principles.